The KitchenAid Guide to Making Espresso. Now you can easily create authentic tasting espresso drinks right at home with KitchenAid. Bring the cafe to your countertop and enjoy smooth lattes, rich Americanos, and delicious cappuccinos. Some beans are specifically roasted for espresso, but you can choose just about any coffee bean for espresso, provided that it's ground correctly. For fresh results, grind your beans immediately before brewing. The KitchenAid Burr Grinder has 70 precise settings for a wide variety of grind sizes, everything from espresso to French press or drip coffee. When using the KitchenAid portafilter, use the single-wall basket type for freshly ground whole bean coffee. The double-wall basket is for coffee that comes pre-ground. A single shot calls for between 10 and 12 grams. Use 18 to 20 grams for a doppio, or double. Dual smart temperature sensors actively communicate with each other throughout the brew process to ensure optimal temperature. The fast-heating thermocoil technology heats water up to the ideal brewing temperature in less than 45 seconds. When lights stop blinking, the machine is ready to use. Another very important step in the espresso creation process is rinsing the instruments. To rinse the group head, place a container under the head. Toggle the mode button to select espresso. Toggle the dose button to 1 and press the start cancel button. The machine will flush water through the group head and automatically stop when the cycle is complete. Tamp the portafilter to level the ground espresso bed. The 58mm commercial-grade portafilter maintains optimal heat through extraction and is designed with 2 recessed spouts to enable a flat base for easier, more stable tamping. Attach the portafilter and twist to lock into place. Toggle the mode button to espresso. Select your preferred dose, then press the Start Cancel button to run. For optimal espresso, brew between 20 and 30 seconds. Experiment to find your favorite flavors by adjusting your grind size and tamping pressure. Now you should have a rich, piping hot shot for sipping or to create a delicious espresso drink with. Explore the complete coffee collection as well as other coffee recipes to inspire your making today at KitchenAid.com.